when you stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction. Don't worry, I get it.
I was fighting over that stuff yesterday. Oh, we threw him about bread, did you see? Yeah, have that, mate.
Just trying to throw him off. Like. There we go.
They're aggressive, aren't they?
He's chasing them round and going in circles. Alright.
Yes, are you?
Yeah.
Trying to?
Well, these pigeons keep chasing each other around, don't they?
We're trying to do a video on feeding the little birds, and it's these blooming old pigeons.
They're a bit frisky, aren't
Oh, there's a couple of ones coming.
they? There's little ones coming in now.
Oh, there you go. Oh, there's a blackbird in, look.
Get the blackbird coming in quite a while. A few times. Oh.
I like to see them on the floor eating.
Them two pigeons. Chasing it all the way along the fence. Yeah, it's nice when they eat off the floor.
Yep. There's all the birds flew off a little while ago, and the pigeons were so busy at each other they didn't even realise somebody had walked past. That's why all the other birds had flown off. Look at him. Dum, 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 dum. Groovy, baby. I'll get a few in there, Joe.
They're all coming now, aren't they?
Yeah, let's get little numbers for them so they can queue up.
Yeah. God, these two ain't stopped.
They're dopey, aren't they?
Yeah, they don't realise everyone else is eating. It's funny how when the pigeons are like, flapping about and that, the little birds aren't bothered, but if you were to walk out there now, they'd all fly off, wouldn't they?
He's normally in the back garden. He's the one that comes in the back place and eats off the carpet, isn't he? Where Edith eats.
Oh, yeah.
That blackbird.
Yeah. Well, I'd see what all the fuss is about
Yeah.
in front.
Must be a lady. Blackbird there.
Well, you
No,
see
he's
it?
feeding
Oh,
them.
yeah. He's doing it again, look.
Yeah, darling. Oh, no one goes near his woman, he's going to get nasty, isn't he? There's a nice few there now, Joe.
They're all over it now, which is nice. Go for the fat balls.
Yeah. I think, is that other one at the coconut or something? There, or is it at the part of seed?
The seed, I think.
I think that'll have to do, Joe, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Quick warrior, eh?